Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this CRAFTSMAN power scrubber. First, I can reach really far, it's cordless, and it's waterproof. So here's where you're going to put the battery, in this compartment right here. You do have to take it off. It does come with a separate charger. Slide it on. It's relatively easy to put on. Make sure you put this cover on. This helps with the waterproofness of it. Now I can extend this. Whatever, it is up to 60.5 inches long. The scrubber head is easy to take on and off. It's got like a little 4 place you put on, and then you want to rotate it until you hear like a click. That way it's installed. Now I can move this. I can adjust this accordingly if I want to scrub down. I am going to be using this on my gutters sometime to get stuff off of the gutters. I have gutter guards, or I can go up like this or level. That's all real easy to adjust. It's nice and padded right here. Again, I can adjust it in or out. The switch, you got an on-off switch right here. So press it towards the line position. There it is on. I can extend it up. Let's go see how well it cleans the house. I can get cobwebs off. You know, it's doing a really good job. It's powerful. I'm not able to bog it down. And I'm pressing really hard. And if I want to get up really, really high, you know, it's relatively lightweight considering. If I want to extend it, now I want to do down low. Lots of cobwebs around these lights. It's doing a great job. All right, now to turn it off, I'm simply going to press the off button. Now I can convert this into a handheld. Unscrew this this gray collar. Here's the battery. Then we're going to unscrew this head, the gray part, and it lifts up also. This is the wand. Now I can put this. There's a white arrow and a white arrow. Line those up. Screw this down. Now I got like a little handheld. That's got a really nice grip right there. Again, push it on. It's nice and on. It does go to a fixed position when you've got it in this position right here. Turn it off. Again, hold this. Turn this. I can take this to the sink, get this all nice and clean. Again, I can get this wet somewhat. I don't want to submerge it in water, but if I'm out washing my house and it gets wet, that's going to be perfectly fine. I really do like the CRAFTSMAN cleaning brush. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So I do Amazon live streams. I have an Amazon storefront where most of the products that I review, you can purchase them off of Amazon. I do get a small commission from the sale. If you do end up purchasing with my link underneath the video, but the product won't cost you anymore. It is a way of helping support my channel. That way I can buy these products with my own money and give you my honest review. And I'm really starting to do a lot of live streams on Amazon. So I'll pick some products that I recommend, I purchase with my own money, and I'll tell you about them, and then you can purchase them right there on Amazon. But these are products I recommend that I think do really, really good. So right now I'm getting set up to do, this is my Father's Day live stream on Amazon's coming really soon. So these are, I had to go around my house and grab all the products that I use. And so these are just proven products that are for sale on Amazon that I think your dad would absolutely love because I love them and I use them all the time. So that's kind of the perspective I'm going to come at with my Amazon live streams, are products I love and recommend. I'm also going to start getting into the Echo devices and Fire TVs, so look for a lot of videos coming out on these. These will be on my other channel, Just a Dad Videos Tips. So thanks everybody for watching. I love what I do. I love that I buy these products with my own money. I can say anything I want about them. I want to be as honest as I can with you about these reviews and everything. I'm going to contacting customer support now is a big deal, and I'm going to let you know how that goes. So I really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could follow me over on Instagram, I really would appreciate it. And this I just got. This is the Eufy S1 Pro Mach. Now the Mach name's going away, but I'm going to be doing full reviews, comparison. This is a mopping robot, and it vacuums also, but it is so cool. It was on a Kickstarter program. I think it's going to be released really soon, so look for videos coming out on this really soon. I also just got the Ecovacs D-Bot T30S. Now, I was not a big fan of the D-Bot or the X2 or whatever, but I went ahead and got this just to see how it's going to do. So I bought it with my own money, and I'll give you my honest review on it. And I also bought this Eufy S1 Pro with my own money. It was a Kickstarter program. I paid $1,200 for it. I think it might retail for $1,500, but anyway, hey, so far this thing has been amazing. But it's way too early to kind of. I'm going to do a review on it here in a little while. And be sure and check out my other videos. I had to retire the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Nothing wrong with it. It does a great job. But I've got other robots. I moved the Roborock S8 Max V upstairs and the Dyson. That's the Roborock Q Revo Max V, Dream X30, Dream X40. Got comparisons with all of these setup videos, how-tos. There's the Dream L20. Got some Roombas. Brand new Crosswave from Bissell. Brand new Tinico lathe, the Stretch and the S7. They've got flash dry now, so they dry their mop pads. There's the old Bissell Hydro Steam, the brand new Sharks. They're just rebrands of the old ones. They're calling them Mess Masters, but there's nothing different. Dream, more Roborock. Lots of Shark robot vacuum cleaners here. I even reviewed the $99 Dirt Devil. It's not too bad. It's got LiDAR navigation from Walmart. Right now, my favorite vacuum is the Dyson 360 Nav. They updated it twice. It's got the little door open. I wish we could see that, but there's a little side door that comes out right next to the wall. This is my absolute favorite robot. I did an updated review on it. I paid for it with my own money, and originally it was really expensive, but they've updated the firmware and now it is amazing. Be sure and check out my next video. Is uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. The Roborock S8 Max V, which I brought upstairs to use as a daily driver mopping, it has a problem. The LiDAR sensor has failed. I've had to contact Roborock, and I'm going to keep you updated on that status. I'm approaching it from a consumer standpoint. Like, I bought it with my own money, but I don't want to tell them who I am. I want to see how their customer service does. And I paid a lot of money for that. That way I'm like, I want this fixed now. So we're gonna see how it does. So far, not so good. It's just been a lot of work on my part. So I'm anxious to see how that goes. Again, if you could, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and check me out on Instagram. I really would appreciate a follow on Instagram. Thanks for watching.